Hello, my name is Santos, and today I'll be explaining why animal testing is cruel and should be banned. But here are the facts. About 150 million animals each year are killed due to animal testing. Some are used for biology lessons, some for experiments, and some for chemical, drug, food, and cosmetic testing. There's no experiment out there that is illegal, no matter how cruel they may be. Animal experimentation is misdirected. The leading cause in death in humans in the United States is lifestyle related. So why should animals suffer for our lack of self-control? For example, these animals, they get these animals addicted to drugs in order to study treatments for addicted. So why should animals be able to do the same things that we do, such as lack of exercise, not eating well, smoking, and enduring a lot of stress just so we can learn more about our bad habits? And why do we need more? This world does not need another eyeliner, another hand soap, or another conditioner or shampoo so badly in this world that it will come to the cost of an innocent animal's life. Just testing one product can cause millions of animals to be dead. Tests run on animals are misleading. 92% of experimental drugs that are proven to be effective in animals fail in human clinical trials. So animal experimentation lead scientists in the wrong direction. For example, cigarettes. There was a study done in 1960 that they used these animals to inhale tobacco smoke to see if they developed lung cancer. However, at the end of the experiment, none of them developed lung cancer. However, in later research, it showed that humans can develop lung cancer because of this. And also, animals experience diseases differently than humans do, so it does not really make sense to test human diseases in animals because we're too different. And there's a false analogy. There's laws that require you to test these new drugs or treatments on animals first. So that does not mean that the new technology, that it does not mean that the breakthrough happened because of the animals. And alternatives do exist, such as, for instance, makeup. There's makeup such as brands like e.l.f. and Chanel who do not test on animals, but yet are able to put their products on the market for people to buy. However, there's other products like L'Oreal or Maybelline that do test on animals. This just shows that testing on animals is not actually necessary because there are alternatives out there. Scientists do not realize that animals suffer too. They think that animals, because they are weaker, because they look different, that their pain is less important than humans, but they suffer too. For example, they go through a lot of painful protocols. They even receive the test substance daily for 2 years without a recovery period. They're sometimes immobilized for hours. Some of their skin may be burned. They may have spinal damage or brain damage. If the intubation is done improperly, they can actually feel excruciating pain without being able to move. They're often confined in small spaces, especially monkeys. Sometimes they have holes drilled into their skull and they endure a lot of emotional stress. One of the examples to show that animals really do suffer is Taleb's lab. Edward Taleb was a famous scientist who ran one of the most famous animal testing laboratories in the United States. He had 17 silver spray monkeys, and these monkeys were subject to electric shock, food deprivation, filthy conditions, like the cages were full of feces and urine that were never cleaned. Often these monkeys were put in restraint chairs. Almost all of the monkeys either had missing fingers or missing limbs, and they were isolated from the rest. A lot of them had also self-inflicted wounds because they were so scared to be put back onto the restraint chairs. And there's other ways that you can stop the abuse. For example, refusing to buy the products. For example, that can be makeup, cleaning products, hair products, etc. You can educate others to raise awareness, and you can also donate your body to science. You can also petition, just like there's many organizations out there like the ASPCA that are helping to stop this. And then these are my